Dr. Kirsten Fulong here from Pinnacle Chiropractic, and today I'm here to talk to you guys about endometriosis and fertility struggles. If you or someone that you know has been walking this heavy path, I want you to know that you are not alone and there is hope for you. Endometriosis affects millions and millions of women, often bringing intense pain, hormonal imbalances, lifestyle struggles, heartbreaking struggles, and all these issues with trying to conceive, that so many treatments only focus on masking the symptoms, but not affecting the root cause. Here at Pinnacle, we take a different path, one that looks deeper at the root cause, starting with your nervous system and its powerful role in inflammation, hormones, and reproductive health. So how exactly does chiropractic care fit into your fertility journey? Let's break it down together. Endometriosis is not just about painful cycles. It actually is a chronic inflammatory condition where tissue, similar to the uterine lining, grows outside of the uterus, and that's why it's painful. This creates widespread inflammation, scar tissue, hormone disruptions that make conception feel so out of reach. So inside your body, there's actually a few key things that are happening here. Number one is chronic inflammation. That constant inflammation that leads to adhesions in blocked fallopian tubes makes it harder for conception to occur. Then it comes to hormone imbalance. Your hormones, like estrogen and progesterone, are managed by your endocrine system. But when your nervous system is stressed, it throws everything off balance, which affects your hormones as well. Then we have nervous system stress. Your brain and your reproductive organs are in constant communication. If there's interference in that cycle or interference in that communication, your cycles and your overall reproductive health are going to suffer. So at the root cause, your nervous system stress creates that inflammation, which then creates that hormone balance, and it's a vicious cycle of constant inflammation, more scar tissue building up, more stress, and so on and so forth. So many women that come to us, they feel frustrated and worn down after trying medications, surgeries, fertility treatments, but still feeling stuck. That's where gentle nervous system chiropractic care can make the huge difference for you. At Pinnacle Chiropractic, we don't just adjust bones here. We focus on how your brain and body talk to each other, making sure there's no interference keeping you from functioning the way that you are meant to function. Your body is incredible and it was meant to heal. It was designed to heal, and this is how we're going to support it. First, we want to calm down the inflammation and restore that brain-body communication in your nervous system. So when the spine, especially the lower back and the pelvis, is misaligned, it can irritate those nerves connecting to your reproductive organs. So gentle, specific adjustments to the pelvis actually ease that stress, helping your brain and your body reconnect with each other while reducing inflammation throughout the body. So many of the women that we care for notice a lot less pain, smoother cycles, and even improved digestion, clear signs that their bodies are finding balance again. Some women that come to our office haven't had a period in months, and they get their period back when starting care again, which is amazing. Then we want to help your hormones find their rhythm. Your hormones are influenced by a delicate system called the HPO axis, which depends on your nervous system to function properly. Misalignments create stress that throw off the estrogen, progesterone, and cortisol that are all crucial for your fertility. With regular chiropractic care, many women experience more predictable cycles, fewer PMS symptoms, and an overall sense of well-being as their body returns to its natural designed rhythm. And then we want to prepare your body for pregnancy. If you're hoping to grow your family, your alignment matters. A misaligned pelvis can create tension in your uterus and all the surrounding ligaments. And this affects everything from implantation to fetal positioning later on during your pregnancy. So our care can help ensure proper alignment and blood flow to the reproductive system and all those organs to create a more healthy, welcoming environment for conception and pregnancy. And mama, let me tell you, there is nothing quite like the joy of seeing women in our office who once struggled with fertility finally holding that positive pregnancy test. And it is one of our greatest honors working alongside them in that journey. Endometriosis and fertility challenges do not have to define you. Your body was designed to heal, and sometimes it just needs the right support. If you're ready to explore a natural, compassionate approach to your reproductive health, we are here for you at Pinnacle Chiropractic. Reach out to us today, see if we can help you, and let's take that next step in exploring whether chiropractic care can be that final step for you to meeting your new baby.